Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Dying World. In CAD, last time we are doing this synchronous modeling, and in synchronous modeling today we will discuss about this reuse feature. In this reuse option I have three phases: copy phase, cut phase and paste phase. This is something like cut, copy, paste, but first I will use this copy phase. With the help of this copy phase we can copy any phase at a distance, and this just again choose this copy phase. With the help of this copy phase it is not working. Now this is working file. Now change this copy paste with this option, tangential phase. All the tangential phase as specified. Now just click drag and click OK. So all the surfaces will copy. So with the help of this we can copy any faces from the previous one. Let's try to do this. Again we have this cut face. Now I want to cut this face and select the direction vector. My direction is this, and I want to shift. I want to cut this face here to here, and now I want to paste it. My body is this and I want to paste here. So last feature we paste here, you can see. Okay. Or here I want to do this cut feature. I want to cut this slot in this direction, and okay. So this feature is cut and impression is here. Now I want to paste this face. My body is this and my tool is this. This tool will cut and result will something like this. Or cut paste, we can do one more thing. Just add something on this face. Suppose I draw a rectangle. Now extrude this, and now I want to just click it as unite. Okay. Now I want to cut this block and paste on the another position. So just select this, cut, select all the faces and direction I want to shift over here, and okay. This is not my solid, this is just a imaginary face. Now I want to convert it, or I want to paste this. This is my target and this is my tool. So this tool will come and it will add with the body. So it will shift here with the help of this portion. So hope you understand this synchronous portion. Thank you for watching.